Hi class, Miss Chen here. So on this week of drawing, our new drawing unit, we're going to learn how to draw our own animes that we really loved as a child using the grid method. And I'm going to tell you exactly what that is in a second. So quickly, last week we learned all about lines and different names of lines and just the simple stuff that we need to review about those things. This week we're going to draw your favorite anime character from a picture. Alright, so here is how we do it. First of all, what are grids? This is an example of a grid right here below. You've probably seen it like math class, science class, other classes. But let's say, for example, you wanted to draw Kirby. Alright, you go ahead and get that picture, draw lines like the grid that you just see right here on the left. And use those lines to help you see exactly where the eyes go, where the nose goes, where the legs goes. So you might be questioning, oh, Miss Chan, what does that mean? So I'm going to show you right here. All right, so same example with Kirby, okay, right here. And just choose any pictures to your liking. All right, we're going to go watch this video. I'm going to fast forward. So let's say you have your grid ready. Let's say you are at home though, really quickly. You would just make a grid of your own using a ruler, 1 inch by 1 inch, going down the paper, all right, and one way, and then you cross it doing the other way. So mark it again, and then make a grid looking like that. All right. So if you are at home, do it this way until you get a triangle or square grid like this you see here. And then using your picture, if you have a printer or if you have on your computer, that's totally fine. Find a picture of an anime or a cartoon that you like that already has lines drawn on it. And then you could just go ahead and follow that using your grid you just drew. Count the boxes. So really quickly, she started from the beginning, the top of the picture with the hand. Alright, so always start from the top of the picture. You see a little bit of these two lines right here touching the corner box, matching up your grid with the grid on the picture. Okay, so bottom leg right here, she counts 1, 2, 3, and that's where the bottom part of that leg is. So please focus on the lines and shapes, okay, and try to match up the boxes. These boxes will help you and let you know where you should be placing these different lines and different parts of Kirby's body or your anime's body. So go ahead and line them up and see how this is starting from the middle of this box to that corner of the box, and how now we're connecting the foot to the rest of the body. So just look, use your eyes to really just carefully scan where these parts of the body go. And now you see she's connecting the top of her head to the hand, right? And just carefully just see, okay, now this is the top of that box. All right, and this is how you use a simple grid to help you draw a shape or any type of anime that you like. Please, if you do have time at home, just go ahead and do that on your own. Draw a grid using a ruler, and then pick one of your favorite anime pictures. Try something simple like Kirby that's just kind of circles and, just ovals, and do that simple image first, and then get to something more complicated. Alright, that is all for today. Remember, with grid method, you have to start from the top first to the bottom and then slowly build your way down. Use your boxes and count them and make sure you're putting them in the right places. Always have a erase in our hand. Just in case you mess up, it's okay to erase. I encourage it. Alright, my dears, that's all for today. Bye-bye. Happy drawing.